Hey folks, Nick here at the Real Guy Garage with just a quick tip for you. If you're anything like myself, you probably have extra gear sets and ring and pinions kicking around. So I'll show you how I store them. Okay, so that's a 2.5 gallon bucket, right? So you can buy these with little lids. And what I use them for is we keep our gear sets in them. So inside this one is exactly what's marked on it. It's an 8.25 321 open gear set, and the vehicle, of course, that I took it out of. And the thing about having these lids is you can fill them with fluid and you don't have to worry about your stuff getting rusty. Plus it keeps the mess down. So hopefully that helps you, and we'll see you back here at the Real Guy Garage.